Okay, so sometimes when I want to hurt myself, I go to my Amazon wish list and wish. So I thought it would be fun to show you what art supplies I am currently looking at, but will probably not get anytime soon because of funds. So the first thing I ever added was the Pro Arte Polar Brush Set 31WB. Anyway, it's the one with the round and the half-inch flat, and I actually haven't been able to... It's not that expensive, but it has been not available for kind of a long time, so I just have it saved so I can remember the code. Then I am desperately in need of a scanner, and here's the Epson V39, and up I will have the Canon Lead 220, I think. Yeah. Then I have my Derwent block, and I do actually have this paper. I know this paper, and it was one I did not really like in the beginning because it's a cellulose paper and it's very smooth, so I was not able to get the results I wanted, but just because I was not practiced enough. But when I got some practice, some exercise with watercolors, suddenly this paper started to be very, very interesting. So I have it. It's not even that expensive because you have 12 sheets in A3 format. So if you want to cut them down, you're going to have 5 A5 sheets. So 12 multiplied by 4 is... I cannot be bothered to do the calculation, but for 14 euros it's quite good. So this one is saved just for when I finish my actual block. Then yeah, inclined table for my watercolors. This is something that it's not that I need it just so much as it's an artist supply I see all other artists have, so I need to have it. It's more like peer pressure than actual need, this one. Then a pocket brush, because I do like my brushes, and yeah, I would really like to try them, but I'm a bit concerned that I will not like it because my Faber-Castell brush does not get a lot of use, so I'm a bit afraid to spend more money on something I will probably not use again. So yeah. Then we have the Kuretake set of 36 colors, and it has been sitting here for quite a long time now, and I'm not really sure why. It's not exactly that expensive, but you know, when you're looking for something else and you know it's there, but you still want to buy something else, yeah, that's basically what happened. Then okay, Moleskine watercolor sketchbook, which I already have a lot of sketchbooks. I really don't need a new one right now, so it has been here for when I actually finish all my sketchbooks, so when I'm old and grey probably. The other... what's the difference between these two? No idea. The size probably. Okay, then I had seen a couple of videos using the Inktense sticks for watercolors, and I was really intrigued by that. So I saved it, but I kind of forgot about it because I'm always looking for new watercolor brands to try out, and so this one doesn't really count as watercolor in my mind, so it gets pushed to the bottom when it's time to buy new supplies. Then my favorite paper, so yeah, it stays there so I can go back and buy it when I have the need to. Then I've seen a lot of good reviews on the Aquafine pans, and so I have saved the sets, only it has been not available for 1 or 2 months, so I am actually waiting for this one to become available again and purchase it, because it costs around 20 euros, so it's not that expensive. Then this is truly a mystery to me. I have no idea why I have this still saved, because when I went to New York, when I went to Berlin. When I went to Berlin, I purchased the single pans of Van Gogh that I wanted, so yeah, there's no reason for me to have this. But it's still there, I don't know why, but I'm going to leave it there. Then a Sennelier set, of course. This one is the one with the half pans and not the tubes, because back when I put it on my list, I kind of had a period where I hated tubes. I don't know why, so I chose the pans. But right now I am leaning more towards tubes, so I might change this one. Then we have a book, Artist Sketchbooks, Exercises and Techniques for Sketching on the Spot. I've seen a review on this and it looks good, but I'm still trying to read my urban sketching and architecture book, and I really have no time between my thesis, my work, doing art. Seriously, having to study for art as well is such a big turn-off. So I actually look at a couple of pages and then put the book back. So this is probably going to be a purchase in the summer when I have finished my internship and can have some free time finally. Then of course a Rembrandt set, which is another brand that I do not have. So yeah, I'm curious to try it. Then the Komorebi set by Mozart. I've seen a couple of reviews about them. So they're supposed to be a bit like the Kuretake watercolors, so I wanted to try them out, only for the same reason as the Kuretake. They've been sitting here for a while, and yeah, they're probably going to be sitting there for a little more. Then a silver brush, these silver black velvet brushes that everyone likes, and I would really like to get one, only not available, of course. Then we have, I really like the Clairefontaine papers. So I have this cardinal paper saved. I've never seen it, and it's something I've seen like a couple of months ago, so I have no idea if it's a new release or if it actually existed before and just now Amazon started to keep it. So here it is in my wish list. Then the Arches cold press paper, which I've never used. I have the hot press and I have the rough, the torchon, but I've never used this one and I'm really curious to try it. Only, yeah, money problems. And then we have the Silver Brush Black Velvet set, which is what I'm really eyeing, so this is probably going to be the first purchase out of this whole list when I have money, because I really want to try new brushes. So yep. Then the Daniel Smith Essential set, which I am waiting. I know this price can go lower, can go down to 30 euros, which is what I will be waiting for. So not buying it yet. Also the core I really want to try, only yes, still money problems, so have to wait, which is something I do not like, but okay. This is the second scanner. I'm really looking to buy a small scanner, something portable and easy to use, just plug in and scan, but still quality. And so I have like this choice between this one and the one you've seen before, and I have no idea which one to buy. Also, I don't have the funds yet, so oh my god. So okay, now you realize why I said I just watch my Amazon wish list and wish, because yeah. And these are some nibs, some replacement nibs for my watercolor, yes, watercolor, whatever. Now, for my Wacom pan, and I still have to sew. I'm not going to buy them anytime soon, but somewhere in the future, these are a sure purchase. Plus, they don't cost a lot, so I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, so this is my whole watercolor wish list, which is growing bigger and bigger by the day. And yeah, is there anything on this list that you would like to try yourself? Or is there anything on this list that you already have and want to share an opinion, such as, oh my god, you have to buy this first, or no, you can take it out of your watercolor wish list, it's ugly as sin. So yeah, video's over. Thank you for being with me, and until next time, bye.